Tata scream. Tau. Uchamonati, yo. It is Jamonati. Yo. Talk to the Jamonati, yo. Tata man.
How was it into all black cat to me? You are
Tomila kamanyobelana. Tomila kamanyobelana. Wena ngari go rata sorry bolela mo phone ndirang. Wa thoma wa nyobela. A fetsa o boza nna go podcasting o ria nna ke tswile ka koloi go producer wena o tswile ka. Ho ang ha fela ke tlo bontsha ke tswa ka banna ba botle. For the rest of my life assist. O ka nka khola mathi mara ke di thaile ka o aga so.
How did Tabalna get holone?
Jo arena ka sen reply yena nna ke nyo go trenda ka yena ke trenda ka wena byang o wila o sa kra le lion go TikTok. Go fede. Black Cat agere na go ke jurali Dr. Producer o mbextebile a robala le yena a tseputswa kids so na revenge ya ga the rest of my life motho mo lo matla mo plomba Black Cat go robala le yena ene a itse se ngore ke mo fitlhele a fetsa mo bitsa sefebe ke tlo montsho bo febe ke bo febe ba buira hanyane bo febe ba buira hanyane ke tlo montsho wena febe ke wena o tlo bitsa nna sefebe itu o a jurali le yena no Roberta one ka Sunday one for South Africa. And I get a relationship get one from Zanzi. Hey, Black Cat the bargain now. Bargain na you. Hakisi biam because hakina tattoo ya paki. Hakina pipi moite.
Hello, Msadi Girl Shigupu and Black Cat Baba Kabana. Shigupu used to date Dr. Prophet Tsepo. The person who introduced Shigupu to Dr. Prophet Tsepo is Kotani Sapitori. He later received 10,000 rand for that hookup. I wasn't aware that Black Cat and Dr. Prophet Tsepo hooked up until now. Amarombo started, bringing the matter to the table on social media, and then we brushed it off. We just started, Now Marumbo wa Rafa, she is jealous and whatnot. So the videos that I can remember of Black Cat going to Dr. Prophet Tsepo was the time Mama Gertrude passed away as Black Cat and Mija or Mama Gertrude ke Mama. So we don't know at this point what is Mama Gertrude her biological mother or what is happening there. So the other time when I saw Black Cat going to Dr. Prophet Tsepo is when she took her car there, and people on social media were very skeptical. They had a lot of questions, how come to buy a car of the Jeep?
How come to buy the bag of the Louis Vuitton plus minus 35,000?
Black Cat said, "Kidi chalta TikTok plus the policies cha." Mama Gertrude, hey, blah, blah, blah. No, Wamarombo made some wild accusations about Black Cat pregnancy. But Nell was the only person coming out saying, or Black Cat girl and Dr. Prophet Tsepo, they had an affair. But, by Betisha Moya, and then we're like, no, nalamona, no, nalijela. Say, hey, we can see Black Cat pushing and hustling on social media. Because at the time, Black Cat was trending back to back, So we all called her a liar. So now today, Shigupu is saying Black Cat girl slept with Dr. Prophet Tsepo or Metleka Stena. So this is the reason why Liena Shigupu ayago monna wa Black Cat girl being eaten. But and Shigupu Lineo, they're not close, they're not friends, they do not follow each other on social media. So I don't think Shigupu can just make such wild accusations without